Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Canvas to Code. In today's video, we'll be creating a beautiful Glassmorphism add to cart card using just HTML and CSS.
We'll start with the HTML structure. We create a main container with the book card class. This is the overall card that will hold our content. Inside it, we add book image, which will display our book's cover image. Then we have a class card details, where all the text information about the book will go. Inside this, we add the book title using an H2 tag, the author's name in AP tag, the price of the book, and finally, a button with the text Add to Cart. And that's it for our HTML. Short, simple, and well-structured. Now let's move to the CSS part, where all the visual beauty happens. Now, we will define some variables inside the root selector. These include card BG for our transparent background, card border for a subtle border, and text light for our white text color. We also set the default font family to Montserrat. Next, we use a universal selector to reset all margin and padding and set the box sizing to border box. Then in the body section, we make the height cover the entire screen using height, 100 VH, and we use Flexbox to center the card both vertically and horizontally with display. Flex. Now let's style the main .book card. We set the width to 300 pixels, give it rounded corners with a 16 pixel border radius, and apply our semi-transparent glass background using card BG variable, and border to 1 pixel solid. The magic of Glassmorphism comes from the line backdrop filter blur with value 10 pixels and saturate 120%. This adds the frosted glass effect. We also add a softbox shadow. Center the content using Flexbox again. And add a smooth transition effect to move it slightly when hovered using Transform, Translate Y-6px, giving it a nice 3D floating feel. Next, for the book image, we give it a width of 100% and a height of 250 pixel, and we set the background image of the book using a URL. Then we move to .card details, where we add padding of 16 pixels and use flex direction to column with a small gap. The text styles are simple. The book title has a slightly larger font size and bold weight. The author name is smaller and slightly transparent. And the description has a smaller font size with a little margin to separate it from the others. Finally, we style our Add to Cart button. We give it some padding, remove the default border, and set a semi-transparent white background. The text color is white, and the corners are rounded with a 10 pixel border radius. And that's it. We've successfully built a stunning Glassmorphism add to cart card using only HTML and CSS. It's modern, elegant, and looks amazing against any gradient background. You can easily change the image, text, or color theme to match your. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more creative front-end projects like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.